Hello guys, maulan talaga ngayon. Kumusta na po ang lahat? Sana po ay ligtas po tayong lahat. Diyos ko po. Ang lakas ng ulan, ang lakas ng buhos ng ulan. Manalangin po tayo. Hihiling po tayo ng mga gabay sa Panginoon at tawad. Kasi mahirap na ngayon guys. Diyos ko. Iba na ang panahon. Now it's difficult. It's different now, the weather here in the world. And we need to pray, to ask forgiveness in peace to the Lord, because here in Baguio, yeah, we think that it's a safe, but a lots of slides. The soil is like, it's not very smooth now. It's quickly to washed out by the rain. Always rain. Now is malapit nang mag 1 month. It's nearly 1 month. Rain, 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 and it's impossible. And you see, we see there is a country, fires, wildfires, and there's war, and there's a rain and lots of floods of their house. Diyos ko, Lord, manalangin tayo, sana'y patawarin tayo ng mga Panginoon at magbigay siya ng gabay sa ating lahat. Ito lang po ang short kong videos today, because I feel every minute and every time and every hour that so sad. I saw always on my timeline here in my Facebook that a lots of people are died because of we don't know why. We need to ask forgiveness from the Lord. Thank you so much.